So guys, we're starting a new series today where we're going to remove, I think, the entire suspension here, taking it bit by bit. I have a limited space here and a limited number of jack stands and only one what do you call it, jack. This is how it looks underneath right now. Not really good. All sorts of things are happening here. I removed already the springs. So we will take it piece by piece, starting with the brakes. Then we will probably take out the axles, half axles, I don't know how you call them. And then we will go with the swing arms. And I think then we will take out the differential. We'll see how that's holding up. And then the ultimate goal is to remove also the exhaust, the shields and the tank, because I have a new tank. Because my current one is a bit rusty. So yeah, this is the plan, and let's begin with this side. And then we'll go to that side. I don't have too much space on that side, sadly, but yeah, let's go ahead. So guys, this is how it is. I managed to take off the nut inside there, which was a pain in the butt. Managed to take off everything here, which is really good. So this is the update. I think today I go on the other side and start to do the same. And then we take it from there. Yeah? Let's go ahead and do it. So guys, success. We took out one control arm. It's good. We go now to the other side, do the same, then lift the car, reposition the jack stands, and then we'll pull out also the diff and also the subframe. Let's do that now. Hey guys, so I have repositioned the car from, or I have repositioned the jack stands from the subframe to the sides here on both sides, so we can take off the subframe. So now the plan is that I need to remove those two bolts holding the exhaust, and once I do that, it will free up the heat shield, this one here that is held by I think 4 screws. I can take off that then, which will expose the prop shaft that connects to the differential, and then I think we'll unbolt the subframe. So that's the plan. Let's see how it goes. So guys, finally this thing is out. Quite happy with it. Since this is 325i, this should be limited slip differential, but unfortunately somebody took out the goodies. I think this is open differential. I will open it later and we'll see for sure, but yeah, it seems like it's open diff, but okay, we'll see. Maybe we'll try to find an LSD for this thing, maybe 373 ratio or 391. We'll see. This thing is heavy. It is like easily 30-35 kilos. So okay, good stuff. Let's begin with the subframe. I think it's gonna be fairly simple, fingers crossed. So let's go ahead and do it. So guys, victory. This thing came out. Put up a fight, but eventually came out. This thing was rusted up, but we got it out. Great. What do we have here? Now we can proceed with the subframe removal. Have a mess on our hands here. It's okay, we'll clean it up. Good, let's remove the subframe. So guys, I think in order to take off the subframe I need to see what I can do to remove this prop shaft, and I think it disconnects in the middle between the gearbox and the differential. And the thing is, it has to be lined up correct enough, so I think I need to get to the middle connection down there under the muffler and see if I can mark it there. The car is right now in gear, so I cannot really turn this by hand, which is fine. So what I will try to do, because the muffler here does not disconnect anywhere close, it disconnects at the exhaust manifold, and don't really want to be taking that out. So what I will try to do is I'll try to remove that heat shield and try to wiggle it out without removing the muffler, and see if I have enough space here under the car to get down there to make a mark. So when I put it back, the prop shaft, it aligns and there's no vibration. So let's try and do that now. So guys, this is it. We finally took out this subframe. It's really in there. It's really in there. But yeah, now it's out. Now we can start cleaning. We can start removing the gas tank. I gave up a little bit on the prop shaft because that heat shield, the bolts were like they're so rusted that they're just spinning in one place. I think I'll need to cut them, and it's just not something I want to do now. Yeah, so let's start taking out the tank, I think, and then we'll take it from there. Okay guys, so you seen me remove this bloody nut. It was all stripped out inside, and when I'm undoing it, I think I cracked here the old tank where the neck sticks out, where the ball goes in. I think it started to separate, and as you've seen, there was not a lot of fuel, maybe 1 liter or so in the tank, and it was fairly clean. Other than that, now we go on the other side and we disconnect the fuel filter and all the hoses there, and we'll try to pull that one out, and I think we'll be able to start pulling this thing out from here. So guys, here we go. We have removed the fuel filter, disconnected. It's hanging right now here. Tighten here. It hangs here, and I need to unplug the cables. But before I do that, I want to understand which one's which one and what they do. So then I can that will be the filter out, and then we can start taking this sucker out. It's very simple here because there's fat wire and skinny wire, and fat terminal and skinny terminal, easy. So I just undid the bolts and or the nuts, and now I have this thing out. This thing looks nasty. I don't know when it was changed. But the fuel wasn't too bad, you know, coming out of it. It wasn't like black or anything. So, yeah. I moved on to removing the gas tank from the car. Brake lines and whatnot was in the way, so I removed those as well. The tank came out fairly quick and easy. At this point, it's a good segue into the gas tank restoration video that will be coming out after this. Thanks for watching, like, and consider subscribing if you liked the video.